Good day to drive, especially in this 2018 Toyota RAV4 SE with black exterior and interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include moonroof, heated front seats, dual climate control, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks and power windows. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. All weather mats on the floor with the Toyota badge in. Your power mirror controls, lane keeping assist, heated steering wheel control and light controls, as well as your trunk release. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touch screen with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your volume and tuner and media controls, air vents, and hazard light above it. Your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. Your heated front seats controls, an aux and USB charging port, and a 12-volt outlet. Cup holder, manual parking brake, gear shift dial, one more cup holder, console with storage below, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, light controls, and your moonroof control. The screen will be manual, but the glass will be powered. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rails, gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the Toyota badge. To open your lift gate, just press the button below the badge. Here it opens it for you. And you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, your extra carpet and mats, a tonneau cover. And when you're done, grab the handle above you on the right side, push it down and close it, or just press the button. It will do it for you. And you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab, hit it, folded the seat down for you, and you access the cargo area. Anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats for storage, the 12-volt outlet, your moonroof, hooks and handle, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, roof rails, privacy glass at the back windows, body colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal and blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.